Look. They talking like they don't know a king when they see one. See him in person, he take it back like a refund. Ballin' with my brothers, all my niggas playin' D1. Daily checkin' chicken, he gon' spin it watchin' reruns. Niggas say they real, but they clones of me. How my cousin in the pen with more phones than me. I got daily correspondence, we tappin' in with the Goonies. Tatted tagging my body, they tagging me like they knew me. They actually living goofy, I'm blunted tagging the coochie. Flickin' flexin' the muscle like penitentiary Gucci. Been addicted to Stussy and blunts hitting like roofies. I ain't tripping off you cause I been tripping off Lucy. I'm lucid dreaming and scheming, I'm manifesting a movie. Manuscript in a million, I thought that you niggas knew me. Focusing on the Fetty, the longevity lifestyle. Build a future me, what I'm usually doing right now. Smoking with my shawty, we plotting another 100 grand. Hear them talk a lot, but they knowin' who got the upper hand. Ride about my sister, I'm dying about my brother, man. Leaning out the window, we got him doing the running man. Smoking with my shawty, we plotting another 100 grand. Hear them talk a lot, but they knowin' who got the upper hand. Slide about my sister, I'm dying about my brother, man.